I'm just listening to some Portuguese music because today we're flying to Lisbon. It ends as it began at Earl's Court.
Ah, I thought you meant constantly reorganizing.
The next station is Sloane Square. This is a District Line train to Barnet.
Putnam Ham. Well, we're doing it. We're finally leaving.
We're doing it. Bye, UK. Virtual journeys?
Yep. Thank you.
Plus, my receipt.
We're going to Stansted. Eating in style.
Eating in style. So only the classiest joints for me.
Yeah. You ready for your flight?
I am.
Gonna sleep the whole way? First time to the continent in 34 years.
Very true.
Almost. Go. Which one was it? Gate 54?
54.
54.
Yeah.
Which is a 10-minute walk. Stairs. Maybe that's why it takes 10 minutes. Wanted to see what you thought of the tacky seats.
Oh, yeah, they're a little plastic.
Little McDonalds-y.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Welcome on board this Ryanair flight F41080 to Lisbon. Let's come move along the cabin aisle and take your allocated seat for weight and balance rules of the aircraft. Please store your small cabin bags underneath the seat in front of you, with exceptions of emergency. Thank you and have a lovely evening.
Woo, that was easy.
That was easy.
Made it right through.
We're here, we're here.
When you're the only Americans on the flight, this is what the travelator looks like.
Ah, I see nice.
When you're the last ones through passport control, you also are the only bags on the carousel. Success, we got our Metro cards. Red line. So we're going from the airport to Saint Sebastian or something like that, and illustrate it was, this is where we are now, we're following it all the way here, then change. We get off here and then we walk. Any day now we'll actually get a move on.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Woo, congratulations.
Thank you. The master at work. Genius. Busy editing. This is the face of the man behind the vlogs.
I'm not sure I taste any bergamot, but I'm not sure if I know what it tastes like anymore.
It's kind of orangish.
Okay, now you taste it. Which one are you eating?
Lime, lavender, milk chocolate.
Okay.
It's very, very lime. It's like, that really strikes you. Lavender, not so much. Lavender is usually a pretty strong flavor still.
Yeah.
But
Breaking up the travel day with a little bit of chocolate tasting on Ryanair.
not provided by Ryanair.
Looks like he's creating a fire with his gaze.